Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you've been here before, don't forget to comment and like my page or my video. Y'all know what I mean. But anyway, so I'm going to show you how to do bulk listings in Canva using their new feature, one of their new features called Sheet. You go ahead and click on your sheet. They have pre-templates already set up. As you can see here, you can pick any template you want, but we don't want that. So we want to go to our sheets and you want to go to your column, your first cell in your first column in row. So whatever it is that you're getting ready to upload and bulk, you want to make sure you title that. So I'm doing this on my iPad. I've never done it on my iPad. I've done it on my laptop and my desktop before. So we're doing this right along with me live. So come on, let's get into it. So I'm going to title what this is. So it's going to be my images. And evidently, I don't know where the placement keys are on my keyboard. Don't mind me. Okay, so I got my images. And you want to click in your cell 2. And I'm going to go to my uploads. And the first image is going to be here. And just because you don't see it there, this is where I made a mistake before. I thought because I didn't see it, I didn't think it was there. So if you click off of it, that's when you're going to see your image. So same thing. I'm going to do it for all of my images here that I want to do a bulk listing. I can't talk today. And the reason I'm doing this is because it's going to speed up either your Etsy, or you can do it for your websites. And evidently I didn't click there. So we're going to go that again. And we're going to go here. And it saves so much time and save money, because I almost paid for a program to do this, but you had to have Photoshop, which I do, but I didn't want to do it on my computer and stuff. So I didn't want to do all that. So once you have everything here, and the reason I'm using my mouse so I can actually select all these faster than doing them the manual way. So I'm going to go ahead, highlight. Come on now. You want to do this the right way. I might be lying when I say I want to do this oh, here we go. Sorry. Let's do this. Oops, undo. We don't want to do what happened. What happened, Cap? I gotta type this in again. Okay, let's try this again. Because it might be easier to do on the laptop, but we're going to make this happen. So we're going to, I just want to, here we go. Let me see if I can do, I don't want all this. Y'all bear with me because I've never done this on here, but I want to. I feel like it's possible without me having to do it. Maybe this mouse is just not my friend. Let me click on I'm gonna click on here. So I want to select. Dang on it. Okay, I'm trying. Oh wait, hold on. Maybe I need to do it like this. Come on. The point of me doing this so I could do this with my mouse. Hey. Okay, I was doing it wrong. Okay, y'all. That's it. I did that totally by accident. So when you see these two little brackets, the bars, whatever they are right here, from top or bottom, that's how you use to select all. You got to select the title because you need to know what you're going to link it to. So this is important. You got to select the title and the images. Now you want to go up to where it says actions, and you want to scroll down to where it says bulk creation. Again, if you see this crown, that means it is a pro feature. So you can only do this if you have a pro feature. Go ahead and get your pro feature with Canva because it's worth it. So I'm going to ahead click on bulk creation. And it's telling me my selected range. Now I want to click continue because it's 3 steps, right? So I'm going to go ahead and click continue. And it wants you to pick a design of where you're going to plug this image in. So I'm going to scroll down until I find my mock-up design that I already have created. And that's right here, bulk listings for Etsy. So I'm going to click that. And now what you want to do is you want to click on these. And you got to go through individually and select this. And you want to see at the top here where it says continue editing. That's the bad part about My iPad sometime is kicking me out, but we gonna work through it. So you want to go to where it says connect data. So you want to go ahead and click connect data. But you notice here, this is how you know you're selecting what you want to connect and list in this image. I titled it images, so there it's already highlighted. This is how you know you have it selected. You got to go through each one of these and do the same thing. So connect data, I'm going to do my images, and I'm just going to go ahead and do all this. It might seem a little time consuming, but compared to doing it manually one by one, this is not time consuming at all. It's so much better and so much easier. And I'm just doing 10 because I'm going to add this to my Canva here. So I'm going to go ahead and connect data again. And again, remember I got 10 images to do. So this is another one that I already set up. And this is for my Etsy listing for my products. And I just went and put the frames on each of these to make it a lot easier and faster. And I want to go over here. And I want to scroll over. I had to do my fingers. For some reason my mouse, I like this little set I got. I need to do a review on this because it's all right, but I feel like it could have been better when it comes to the mouse. I love the keyboard though. So go ahead. So now I just want to go through and make sure all of them have this images, because I made that mistake one time and all of them didn't have it, and I had to go in and manually add it. So all of them have images. So we can see here. They all have it. And it's so easy, you guys. Everything is listed. So now it's telling me I want to create 7 designs. Just want to click on where it says create 7 designs. And here you can see where it's automatically filled in. It's going to see what this looks like. It had the folder that popped up here, but you can also go back to your home screen, or you can click the link that was within the sheets there. And here I can see what it looks like. So this is the first one, automatically added. So here we can see each image and what it looks like, and like a cup. You got the book bag, so nice for that. So the only thing, sometimes it's not going to be perfect. It just depends on the size of your image too. Like I could have shrunk my image down from the beginning. So that's something I'm learning as I go through this with you guys. I don't know everything. I'm just showing you what I know, how I do it. Feel free to do it better, because that's what we're here for, to share, because that's what it's about. It's about sharing knowledge, right? So that's the first one. I created 7 of these. So this is going to save me a lot of time. And it was already over there on the listing while I went all the way out. But here, so I can see my next one. And these are going to be my Etsy listings. Now, if I want to look at them entirely instead of going by page, I click on my 4 little boxes down here, and it's going to show me each of them. So only one I think I would probably adjust, everything is all right, is this one here, the calendar. So once I go down, I double click, and I really mostly want her head shown. They can see the body on the other ones because I don't want her head cut off. But here, that's what you can see. And if I go back over here, we can see the rest, but you can go down. See, they're all here, showing me all 7 of them here. And if you go on these little 3s, I can change this to the names. I put W chat, so I know what it is. And now that name should be updated. Did it not update? It didn't. Whatever I did, W chat, enter. There, go down there. So whatever the names are, you can take and update the name, and that's what I usually like to do. So here you can adjust any of these. Anyway, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and anything I learn, I'm gonna share with you guys. Bye.